Pretty solid video, I think. And as of right now, we're testing our downtrend resistance area right now, our day downtrend resistance area that we've been that has been kept keeping us down here since December 6, 2024. We're at it right now, guys. So this is a very critical moment here for Jasmine, because if we finally break above, 3.5, which we actually wicked up to 3.5, if we actually hard candle over top of this and we start breaking out, to me that confirms the next leg up, which brings us up to 5 cents and then 8 cents above that. The great part is we had this huge bearish momentum here on the MACD starting from December 15th here, had a little bit of a fake out there. Let's just hope this isn't a fake out right here, which I don't think it is. I mean, look at how vertical this blue is. This is the lowest the MACD has been since all the way back here of May of 2022, guys, which is absolutely insane, which is all the way back here. So what we're currently going to be looking for here is a possible continuation for Jasmine. All the indicators on the day chart are completely reset. I mean, look at the stock RSI's bottomed out. We're starting to tail higher from that point on. And in crypto, guys, in crypto, W's are bullish. W's are bullish, and we're working on that right now, working our way to rally higher. So hopefully we can continue our momentum there. If we look at the stock, or if we look at the plain RSI, we got that support bounce, which we drew a line there. Nice bounce, currently working our way up to around 40. So that is going to be an area that I want to see this Jasmy RSI break, is above the 40. We break above the 40, we can still continue higher, but a lot of these indicators on the day chart are still showing bullish signs ahead. Now, if we look at the short-term time frame, we can kind of get a general idea of where we're at. You can see we actually broke above that downtrend right there on the 4-hour. We're back testing it as support right now. So this is massive, guys. This is very, very important for Jasmy. We do not want to break below 3 cents. We break below 3 cents, and we're going to fall back into this wedge and then more consolidation. But as of right now, the 4-hour time frame is looking good. We got a nice engulfing candle today, or the prior 4-hour, and it's not showing signs of slowing down there. The RSI isn't overbought yet, so we still have room to run to the upside right there. And you can see Jasmine does like going pretty high into that overbought territory. So what I want to see here on the short term is get over 80. 80 has been our resistance area a whole year 2025. We had 80 there, got rejected, 80 there, got rejected. We're at, what are we at right now? We're at 77. So hopefully we can continue that momentum to the upside. But nonetheless, we've never broken out of this on this downtrend on the 4-hour chart and back tested. This is the first time since we were in the downtrend beginning December of 2024, guys. So that's big. That is very, very big. Indicator right now, the stock RSI right now, we did have the blue fall below the orange, which shows a slight sign of bearishness on the stock RSI. But I really don't use the stock RSI in the 4-hour time frame because it's so volatile. You can see we can dip below it, go higher, dip below it, go higher. So it does that several times. So I really ignore the stock RSI in the 4-hour. I just rely on these other indicators and my trend lines. And as of right now, the trend line is looking pretty solid. We're testing it as support. So we really want to stay above 3.1, but I'm going to be a little lenient, say above 3 cents. And if this holds, guys, then the next leg up is 5 cents for Jasmy here. So we actually got a pretty good entry here at about 2.5, and we're going to continue to ride this. Now, if we draw the fibs from the high to the low right now, you can see that we actually have our next main resistance area at 3.5. So I wouldn't be shocked at all if we went up there, and I don't care if we get rejected off that area. If we go up to 3.5, that confirms the breakout to me. That confirms this downtrend that we've been experiencing since the beginning of December 2024 is finally broken. We finally are in some bullish momentum there for Jasmine, which is fantastic, guys. So that plus the day chart indicators, indicators are just screaming we're going to go higher.